Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimullah and welcome to my channel, that is Wasimullah Graphics and Architecture Designer. In this tutorial of Photoshop, I will tell you how to use the frame tool. So without wasting any time, let's jump into Photoshop. New document. Select new document. That's up to you what kind of size you want, but you should go with the measurement. I should take in width 24 inches, and in height it is 48 inches, 2 foot by 4 foot. How to color it? Press Alt Delete and it will be colored. If you press Ctrl Delete, then it will select the background color. For foreground color, it will select the Alt Delete, and for background it will select for background if you press Ctrl D Delete, it will select the background color. Now this is frame tool, as you can see the name. If I place the frame in a frame size, in a rectangle size, now if I after selection, I will take place embedded. I will take an image. Let me take this one. Frame tool, it's fit to the frame. You can change the size also, what type of size you want. Press Ctrl T and you can change the size. It fit to the frame. Actually, it fit in the frame size. It might be smaller also, it might be larger also. It can capture the larger area and it can capture the small area. Now same with the frame tool, rectangle, circle. From here select circle, this option. This is the rectangle and this is the circle. Now place the image in a circle wise. Now go to place embedded, take the image. Okay, this image. Now it fits to the circle, either in a smaller area or either in a larger area. So that was a quick tip. If you want to increase its size, press Ctrl T and fit to the circle. Now this was a quick tip. I will be back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel, that is Wasimullah Graphics and Architecture Designer. Have a good day. Bye.